Sino bang hindi nag-dream nitong kabataan natin? Look at that. Oh my God! These are our biscuits. No bake yan. Dessert. Maayong adlaw mga kaigalaan. Kami ang Wandering Kusina. Ako si Chokoy.
Ako si Mark.
Mga Commanders, this is our 12th recipe for Christmas 2025. Finally mga Commanders, dumating tayo sa pinakadulo.
Yes, natapos din.
And natapos namin to before Christmas kasi the previous years tapos tayo sa oras.
Christmas natapos.
Oo, tapos patayan sa edit. Now, eto, tinapos talaga namin 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks before Christmas kasi we want to make sure na sa Pasko onwards, hindi na kami magka-cramming kung ano mang dapat namin gawin. So,
makapag-isip kayo kung ano yung lulutuin nyo sa mga recipe namin.
correct. Kaya inagahan namin. And our 12th recipe for Christmas mga ka-wonder, we call it Choco Peanut Biscuit. At ganito namin ginawa ang Choco Peanut Biscuit. First, pagsama-samahin natin ating mga ingredients bago natin i-on ang ating kalan. So, let's start with semolina. And this semolina is the same semolina na ginamit natin sa ating yellow corn 5 years ago. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3, okay, that was 3 and 1/4 cups of semolina yung nilagay natin. So, we're going to add 1 cup of powdered milk dito. Yan. 1 cup of powdered milk. Let's also add 1 cup of castor sugar. Castor sugar, icing sugar, powdered sugar, same. Now, eto na buo to. Kailangan natin tong durugin. Itong process na to is a usual process sa pagdurog ng sugar just to make sure na walang buo-buo. We'll have to go through this process para even yung sugar na malalagay natin. There you go. Mix muna natin ito bago natin i-on yung kalan natin. So ito mga ka-wonders, as you can see, nahalo na natin. Maganda yung pagkahalo niya. At this time, i-on na natin yung kalan natin, but in a very low fire, habang continuously mixing tayo para hindi siya masunog. So let's just continue stirring and make sure yung mga nasa ilalim, yun yung bubungkalin natin, at we'll have to make sure na mix upside down talaga. Up, down, ganyan.
Okay,
Balikan natin to once everything is okay. So let's level up our yellow corn. Lalagyan natin ng coconut powder to. Bango. So lalagyan natin ng 1 cup coconut powder or desiccated coconut. Yan. Now let's mix. Naamoy ko na. So let's cook this for 5 minutes more. And then, gagawin na natin ang ating chocolate and peanut butter mix. So ito na mga koys, mga et, mga uncle, mga auntie, mga kahigalaan, mga ka-wonders. Ready na ang ating yellow corn or ating loose polvoron. Now, ang difference lang nito, Wala siyang butter kaya hindi natin pwede matawag itong pulveron. But this is the yellow corn. With the coconut pala. Yellow corn with the coconut. Palamigin natin to. Patayin natin yung apoy. And then palamigin natin to dito. We're going to use this one. I-spread out natin siya dyan. Lagay natin dyan. And then, yan. Spread out natin yan. So yan, spread out natin. At we'll let it cool down. Kasi mamaya, dyan natin i-drop ang ating mga chocolate and peanut butter mix. So ano mga ka-wonders, this is hot and we're going to set this aside. So we're going to start with our melting of the chocolates. On natin itong kalan. And sa chocolates that we will be using, we're going to use these chocolates. Yan, ito is yung brown chocolate, yung regular na chocolate, and this one is the white chocolate. We're going to use 3 bars. Ito. So, 2 white, isang brown chocolate, kasi ito na lang din namang brown nang natira. And then we're also going to use butter. Half lang ng butter ang gagamitin natin. And for the peanut, we're going to use this peanut butter right here. It's 450 grams or 454 grams to be exact. And yun yung ipanghalo natin sa ating chocolate. Na kumukulo na siya guys, let's put in our bowl. Na painitin lang muna natin yan. Na ilagay na natin ating mga chocolates. Yan. Ang sarap nila tignan guys, oh. Look at this. Ang sarap mga ka-wonders. And then our last brown chocolate. Yan. Unti-unti na siyang natutunaw, oh. So, hayaan na lang muna natin yan hanggang matunaw yan. Takpan natin para mabilis. Yan. So, yan mga ka-wonders, unti-unti siyang natutunaw and medyo may matigas pa siya dyan. Yan. Ang heating point niya is matagal, whereas kung lagyan natin ng butter, eto, this is 100 grams of butter, mas mataas ang heating point ng butter. So, i-mix natin yan para mas mabilis matunaw itong chocolate natin. The butter will help it melt faster. So yan, ang sarap tignan. Merry Christmas. Tama yung conclusion natin. And pag pinalamig naman natin, mabilis din siyang mag-harden dahil din sa butter. So let's just allow this to be melted fully and then babalikan natin. So now we're going to add the peanut butter, and you can choose the peanut butter of your choice. And this is 450 grams. Half lang munang ilalagay natin. Yan. Naku, ang sarap tignan. Look at that. So mix natin. Ang nilagay natin is worth 225 grams na peanut butter. We'll just give this a thorough mix mga ka-wonders. Look at that. Ang sarap na lang tignan. Okay, patayin na natin yung kalan. Let's remove it from the water. No, Chef Mark suggested lagyan natin ng pinch of salt. Pero tikman na natin. Sino bang hindi nag-dream nitong kabataan natin? No. Okay na siya. No need for a pinch of salt. Kasi yung peanut butter, it's a bit salty. And plus, salted din yung butter na nilagay natin. Look at that. Oh my God! Para sa chocolate.
Lasa ng chocolate.
Yes. Let's give it a few minutes lang na hindi siya ganun ka-labnaw. Kasi kailangan natin tong ilagay doon sa ating yellow corn para maging biscuit siya. We'll be back in a few minutes. Now mag-mold na tayo. We're going to do a free mold. Ibig sabihin, we're going to use the spoon or spatula. And you can also use this para mas madali yung lalagyanan ng ketchup or yung mayo. So we already have the base of the yellow corn here. Tapos eto, medyo mas marami ditong banda dito. Make sure lang na makapal pa rin yung nasa ilalim. Tingnan nyo. Eto, gamit ang spatula, ganito ang gagawin ko. Yan. Medyo mukhang mabagal siya, di ba? So, pag kutsara naman na gagamitin natin, let's do it like this. So, yan yung free form natin. Now, para hindi siya magdikit-dikit, lagyan nyo na agad ng yellow corn. Then, tapusin lang natin to. Let's occupy the whole pan. And then, ilalagay natin to sa fridge. So, balikan natin to pag na-occupy na natin yung buong pan. So now, eto, natapos na natin yung pag-drop natin ng chocolate. Although marami pang tira, but we are only going to show you the process and how it's made. Now, this one will go to the fridge. So, palalamigin muna natin hanggang mag-harden yung peanut chocolate natin na mixture. So, this is it, the moment of truth. Let's see how it looks like. Uy, nagdikit sila. It's successful! This is what I'm talking about, guys. See? These are our biscuits. No bake yan. Yan. Diba? Now ngayon, plating na tayo. And then, let's prepare a cup of coffee along with this one. Now, this idea, you can see, mukha siyang snowflakes. Diba? Ang ganda, no? I just realized na para siyang snow. This is the first time actually we made it. Now, I realized din na pwede itong pang negosyo.
Pwede pang regalo sa mga bata.
Yes! At pwede siyang pang regalo during Christmas. And pwede nyo pangalanan ng kung ano man, pero pag nakita namin yan sa at pinangalanan nyo ng iba, hindi nyo kami kinu-quote na sa amin yung recipe na yun. Okay lang. It's Christmas. It's the time of giving, so nasa inyo yan. And we hope na you will prosper using this recipe, and we hope that God blesses you this Christmas and continuously be guided sa lahat ng mga blessings na gusto nyo ma-achieve, mga goals na gusto nyo ma-reach. At usually kasi pag sinabi natin na pwede siyang pang business, magtatanong sila paano yung costing. Now, we know how to do costing, not here, not in this video. Check out na lang the other videos ng other content creators kasi yung costing namin dito is different kasi iba yung prices ng mga ingredients na binili namin. So eto, tikman na natin ang ating Choco Peanut Biscuit. And by the way, yung tirang powder natin earlier, yun yung yellow corn natin, pwedeng kainin yun. Dessert. Diba? Brainy. Medyo lang siya, messy. Dahil maraming flakes. Pero, ang sarap niya. Amazing. Amazing. Alam mo yung Reese na choco peanut butter cups? Similar siya sa ganito. Nilagyan lang natin to ng desiccated coconut kasama doon sa coating. Na tapos yung coating mismo, hindi lang ordinary coating yung mga ka-wonders ha. This is the yellow corn coating. Tawag namin yellow corn. So, kahit yung coating lang itself, it can be give it away na parang din. Gusto nyong may packaging na different. Kasi that itself is another recipe na ginawa namin 5 years ago. Ako palang ginawa ko 5 years. Amazing. When it comes to chocolate, kung saan mabibili, go to chocolate suppliers or yung mga SNR. I don't know kung may ganyan sa SNR. Yung mga chocolate na mga sale. Pwedeng regular chocolate, by the way, guys ha. Yung mga chocolate na mumurahin, pwede yun. At saka yung peanut butter, kahit homemade na peanut butter, pwede yung gawin yan. So,
pwedeng kakao.
Oh yes, pwedeng kakao. Lagyan nyo lang ng butter.
Butter, tsaka milk.
Butter tsaka milk. Tapos, yes, pwede nyong i-mix yan. mabubuo din yan.
Mm.
So, mga ka-wonders, we really hope that this 12th recipe of Christmas gives you joy dahil sweet siya, sweetness in your life, ideas for business, especially this coming 2026, and sana masaya ang pamilya ninyo, masaya ang mga bata, and pwede nyong iserve ito sa handaan ninyo or kahit sa Christmas tea. Ano tawag niyan? Afternoon tea sa Boxing Day. Yeah, may mga ganyan. So, if you like this recipe, mga ka-wonders, please do like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to share this to your family and friends, especially yung mga naghahanap ng mga pangnegosyo for next year na para guminhawa naman ang buhay nila.
Mm.
And don't forget to subscribe to Wondering Cucina and click that notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga bagong videos namin. Just like this.
Yes, Merry Christmas. And we have a social media account. We have Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Since this is the last recipe for 2025 sa Christmas, I think mga shorts na lang ang gagawin natin sa rest ng 2025. And until the next year, 2026, sa mga bagong videos natin, let's see what we can do sa habang malamig pang panahon dito sa UAE.
Yes.
At dahil din, last video na namin ito sa 2025 na long video, recipe video, we would like to invite you to visit Kabayan Gourmet, ang aming ka-collaborate sa aming project na Fish Tales, aming business na Fish Tales. Fish Tales is a condiment at the same time an appetizer na available lamang doon sa Kabayan Gourmet. Kung saan sila?
Nasa Mark and Spencer Building sa ground floor sa Airport Road.
They have the biggest buffet dito sa Abu Dhabi and it only costs 49 dirhams and that is really good for more than 20 dishes. Every day silang may buffet sa weekdays and 59 dirhams sa weekends. And they're open from 10 a.m. until 1 a.m.
Yes, and abangan ninyo yung bagong product natin sa Fish Tales. Before
Yes.
end of the year, lalabas na siya.
Oh my God!
Or end of the year.
Before the end of the year. I-follow nyo kami sa Fish Tales namin na Facebook page dahil doon namin ilalabas lahat ng mga products. And of course, maraming salamat sa Kabayan Gourmet for collaborating with us dahil sa Kabayan Gourmet, fiesta everyday. So, that's it mga ka-wonders. Finally, tapos na ang ating 12 recipes for Christmas 2025 and hoping to see you once again for another awesome 2026. We wish you all the best.
Yes, sana
Ma-achieve nyo.
ma-achieve natin yung goals natin.
Amen.
And sana wag manglamang ng kapwa para pagpalain tayo.
Amen. Thank you very much mga ka-wonders. So, Merry Christmas once again. Kami ang Wondering Cucina. Ako si Chakoy.
Ako si Mark.
Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Merry Christmas! Dagang salamat guys! Oh my God, ito guys.